Hey everyone, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at stock number 29240T. It's a 2019 Ram 3500 Tradesman. Has the black front bumper and grille, Ram logo on the front. Is 3500 badge. It's got the 6.4 liter Hemi, 18-inch steel wheels. Inside's got your power mirrors, windows, and locks. Does have the carpet delete, so you got the vinyl flooring with the rubber all-weather floor mats. Premium upholstery seating. Steering wheel has your voice recognition to make your hands-free phone calls. Cruise control as well. Have your USB ports down here, along with an auxiliary. Your manual 4-wheel drive, your 4 low, 2 high, and 4 high. Does have the trailer brake already installed. Some auxiliary switches. 3.5-inch Uconnect radio. Center console that flips up for additional seating. Opens up for some storage. You have USB ports down here as well. Some coin holders built in. Cup holders. You have rear storage area back here as well. Power, or actually it's not a power sliding window, it's a manual sliding window. It's got the long bed on it. Got your hitch with your 4 and 7 pin harnesses. 4-wheel drive. Does have the Snow Chief group on it. Again, we're looking at stock number 29240T. It's a 2019 Ram 3500 Tradesman. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio, or you can give me a call at 937-778-0830, or you can visit us online at sherrychrysler.com.